How do you make an action plan to achieve your goal? If you want the best chance of successfully achieving your dreams, then you're going to need some sort of plan. Here is a process to help you plan and achieve any goal. But first, what is a goal? A goal is simply something you want to achieve. It could be a personal ambition or a group objective. Goals quantify our end state and qualify our success. Setting goals allows us to measure our progress and know when we have succeeded. Once you've picked your goal, you now need to plan to achieve it. Action plans do not need to be overly complicated. For example, at the simplest level, to-do lists and shopping lists can be crude but effective action plans. If you are an individual aiming to achieve a simple goal such as going on holiday, the details of the plan will, of course, be very different to a large multinational corporation making a plan for launching their next product. But despite this, the initial questions that you need to ask are very similar. So to achieve your goals, you just need to answer these questions. The answers will be the basis of your plan. 1. Why? Ask yourself, why do you want to do the things you are thinking about? Asking why helps to work out what you value and what motivates you. Why is it important? Why do you want to succeed? You need to know and understand the reason to give you the drive to accomplish the task. 2. Where? Work out where you are and where you're going. You need a start point and an end point. First, think about your present situation, where you are now. A SWOT analysis can be a helpful tool to use at this stage. This situational analysis helps to set the context for starting out with your goal. Next, think about where you want to be when you've succeeded in your goal. This is the vision or dream that you want to achieve. 3. What? Define what your overall mission is and what success looks like. Now that you've actually worked out where you want to get to, you can define what the end point actually is. What criteria demonstrate that you've achieved your goal? Describe clearly, but succinctly, exactly what success looks like. This is your goal or mission statement. 4. Which? Think about which ways you could achieve success and consider the advantages and disadvantages of each option. There are different routes you can take to achieve your goal. Which one path is best? Think about the risks, what they might be, and the advantages and disadvantages there are to each option. Then you can work out what you believe to be the best option to choose. 5. How? Pick your preferred option and work out how you're going to go about achieving that goal. Now that you've considered the options and picked your favourite, you can start to plan how you're going to achieve it. Think about what are the steps you need to take. What resources might you need? 6. Who? For each step, think about who can help you. You don't have to do everything on your own, even if this is a personal plan rather than a group one. As you break down the goal into steps, think about who might be able to assist you or give you advice at each different stage. 7. When? Schedule the individual steps into your diary to define when you will achieve them. I tend to keep a long list of goals and steps on my phone. I then prioritise them and put the most important next steps straight into my diary. A step should be easily achievable, something you can do in minutes or at most hours. Work out the most important thing you need to do next. This should be the next thing in your diary, even if it's as simple as a 5-minute task such as making a phone call. So that's it. That's an overview of the questions you need to get going on your plan. If you'd like more detail on making a plan or a free simple goal setting and planning template, then just follow the links or go to the website, which is www.therightquestions.co. And if you found this helpful, please do like and subscribe.